Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are creating this profile banner in Photoshop. Without wasting more time guys, let's jump straight into the video. So as you can see, this is the entire screenshot of the work that I did. And guys, when you are doing this, you take less than 5 minutes to complete this thing, because this looks like a motion graphic template. If we send the entire project to After Effects to animate it, it will look awesome and it will look nice, which I will do that very soon. So guys, before that, let me show you how I created this in Photoshop. So first of all, make sure you go to your files section, select new, choose 1080 by 1080 pixels, give it a name, set your resolution to 72, maintain the default settings right over here, and click on create. Okay, so after creating your artboard, what you have to do next is to go to the main project, open the group. Okay, so after opening the group, the first thing that I created was my gradient. So to create this gradient, what you have to do is to go to the adjustment section. Go to the adjustment section, select gradient, and guys, it will appear right here. So you double click on it, and guys, they have a lot of gradient templates right over here. Choose from one of the folders, and guys, you are good to go. So since I have my gradient overlay already, let me show you how I did mine. So I chose these gradient colors, which is the light blue and this color. After that, what I did next was to choose the style to radii. The angle is at 90, the scale is at 118%, and that's it guys. So if you want to follow what I did, you can copy my codes too. I drew a circle and placed it at the middle of the artboard. After placing the circle here, I duplicate it and created another one and transform it by pressing Ctrl T to scale it down. Okay, so after scaling it, what I did was to import my image. So let me release the creepy mask. This is my image. So I imported my image and clipped it to the second or the duplicate circle. So after that guys, that is it. The rest of them is the shapes that I will add to the banner. So after that, I drew a rectangle like this one, and to get this particular shape, what you have to do is to go to the tool section, pick the rectangle tool, let's set it to white so that you can see what you are doing well. And I drew a rectangle like this. So after drawing the rectangle, what I did was to press Ctrl T to transform it. After transforming it, I press right click and selected perspective. So after selecting perspective, make sure you select the middle one and drag. Okay, so after dragging, that is what I got with the rectangle shape right here. So as you can see, this is it. After you press Ctrl T again to rotate it a little bit so that you get something perfect like this. Okay, so guys, since you know how to create this rectangle with the perspective shape already, let's go to the next one. After that, I duplicate it and place the white one on top and change the second one to black. So that is it. After that, I created a rectangle and I duplicate this twice, and guys, and I merge them. After merging them, I decrease the scale, and guys, that is it. So make sure you try your hands on the shape. It's not necessary for you to go online and download custom shapes, whilst you can create them yourselves. So make sure you go on, make sure you do practice custom shapes and use them for your designs. So after creating all my custom shape, what I did was to create, I'll add my name, a name to the rectangle perspective that I created. So guys, that is it, and I'm good to go. So you can post it on Instagram and on Twitter, and you are good to go. Easy out.